Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Oppo F11 Pro versus a Oppo Reno. And this phone is giving you a Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor with a 8GB RAM, while the F11 Pro is giving you a MediaTek Helio P70 processor with a 6GB RAM. So let's see how much a difference between both of these phones. And Oppo Reno is much expensive phone than the F11 Pro. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Logo came first on the Oppo F11 Pro. And Oppo F11 Pro is faster and Oppo Reno is right behind, about 2 second difference. Everything is closed up in the background, and the first application is the phone dialer, faster on the Oppo Reno, and F11 Pro is right behind. The settings, and that was about the same on both phones. Mic lock, and again same result. The calendar, and just a tiny bit faster on the Oppo F11 Pro, and Reno is right behind. The calculator, and again faster on the Oppo Reno, and F11 Pro is right behind. My files, and again that was about the same on both phones. Music, and about the same on both phones. Launching some more application like some games application, and the first is the Candy Crush. And Oppo Reno is faster with the faster processor, and F11 Pro is right behind, 2 second difference there. The Subway Surfer, and faster on the Oppo Reno again, and F11 Pro is right behind, 1 second difference there. Last game application we have the Temper Run 2. And Oppo Reno is again faster, and F11 Pro is right behind. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera on both phones up at the same time, and faster on the Oppo Reno, and F11 Pro is right behind. And the both phones is giving you the pop-up selfie camera launching at the same time, and faster on the Oppo Reno, and F11 Pro is right behind. Launching the internet browser on both phones, Google Chrome versus a Google Chrome. Show you guys what is the speed in internet browser. And the first website is www.com, and same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and faster on the Oppo F11 Pro, and you can see, and Reno is also done, about 2 or 4 second difference between both of these phones, looking very smooth on both phones. Let's go back and launching the apple.com, the next website. And F11 Pro is faster, and Oppo Reno is still taking some time, and now it is also done, about 2 or 4 second difference. Let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and F11 Pro is giving you a 6GB RAM, while the Oppo Reno is giving you a 8GB RAM. So let's see how much a difference between both of these phones. And last is the internet browser on both phones, and overall I have to say that the apps opening speed is faster on the Oppo Reno, just a tiny bit, and Oppo F11 Pro is right behind to the Oppo Reno. RAM measurement is very good on both phones, not much a difference between both of these phones. Thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Oppo F11 Pro versus the Oppo Reno. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as well. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.